Take a ride in the 2014 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, front license plate bracket, rear wiper, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.